Hello 啊，大家好，歡迎嚟到天下知多啲，我係 Dennis。今日咧就已經去到政府關門第二日啦，所以咧我就會講下大約會有啲咩影響啦，對我哋社會，對我哋嗰啲政府部門啊，同埋咧已經收到呢、個提案50嘅呢個係 sample ballot 就唔係正式 ballot 嚟嘅提案，就嗰個 special election 啦。咁喺最遲咧喺11月4號咧就要去投票噶啦。咁陣間我亦都會講下點解我哋會投反對票，咁亦都會又揾大隻佬阿諾舒黎加，係咪英文中文咪叫阿諾舒黎加嚟講解一下點解我哋會投反對票嘅？10月1號開始啦，就美國政府就關門啦。Federal 嗰個聯邦嗰邊咧就已經好多要焗住休假啦，有啲就要叫佢哋繼續，有啲部門一定要開工，就叫做咧未有薪水嘅人繼續要開工，即係將來開翻之後咧就會補翻俾佢。呢個其實好大問題，因為美國人咧就好多時都習慣咗揾幾多使幾多，咁每個月咧啲開支咧就即係嗰啲信用卡屋貸款好多嘢每個月清嘅，越揾越使越清，呢個就係美國人嘅 style 嚟嘅。咁而家有呢咁嘅情況，佢幾大劑嘅真係。咁呢個大劑嘅原因咧就唔關阿 Trump 事嘅，Trump 喺度唔關阿 Trump 事嘅。係呢個上邊呢個 Chuck Schumer 參議院民主黨領袖，咁佢就每年都好多提案啦，要通過啦。咁本來咧，即係過去普魯西嘅年代咧，就係一大嚿去嘅，去到年底11月頭，咁會有一大嚿提案，就6000幾頁嘅，就開始發言講即係辯論跟住之後其實都唔使辯論，跟住咧就投票啦。通常咧就係民主黨係有民主黨投 yes， 即係如果係啱民主黨投 yes， 啱共和黨嘅啱共和黨投 yes 咁樣嘅，就嗰個基本辯論都嘥氣嘅。咁但係就6000幾啊，我哋都係依靠啲傳媒啦。因為我哋主流傳媒都係 fake news 嘛，咁佢哋都會去揀啲嘢嚟講嘅。咁6000幾頁，我哋平民嚟講冇可能會知晒咯。咁所以嗰陣時咁多好不合理嘅法案都能夠去通過咁解。今次咧Mike Johnson 呢個新嘅眾議院頭，即係我哋叫做 Speaker of House 啦。Speaker of House 咧就係第3把交椅可以咁講，就係總統、副總統就係到佢噶啦。佢就法定咗係用12將佢拆開，即係一大嚿啦，即係一大嚿提案咧，將佢拆開12次去投嘅咁樣。今次呢個即係叫做清潔乾淨清潔 clean bill 咁民主黨就叫做 dirty 污糟嘅 bill 咁樣咯。其實好 clean 嘅，因為咧13次都投 yes 嘅民主黨，即係今次咧都係跟翻上13次嘅提案嚟啫嘛。因為我哋要11月仲有好多嘢要講，其實最主要都係講嗰啲撥款啦。因為我哋國會就係講撥款嘅啫，講錢噶啦，所以講錢就失感情啊。咁佢哋咧就成日嗌交尤其是一陣間咧就撥一大筆走去烏克蘭派錢。最中意派人哋啲錢嘅啦，民主黨就講到自己有幾個光環有幾大，因為派人哋錢啊嘛。咁所以喺兩邊咧，平時咧都係喺度拗呢啲咁嘅嘢噶啦。咁今次咧好地一路都係咁噶啦，13次你哋就投咗 yes 啦，算咯咁。但係佢哋就唔制，就要加多啲嘢啦。加多咩嘢咧？就係加多啲醫療健保咧。我哋有補助，有政府補助。咁個政府補助嗰度咧就加碼咯，要同埋。要所有人都有，咁問題喺邊咧？當所有人都有咧，連非法嗰啲入境者我哋都要照顧埋咧。呢個就係我哋共和黨係最反感嘅，因為我哋有一班真係好需要呢啲醫療補助嘅人咧，就唔能夠得到適當合理嘅醫療補助，即係嗰嚿錢唔夠啊嘛。一嚿錢唔夠，咁你民主黨係派人哋錢啊嘛，即係派政府錢，即係派納稅者嗰啲錢，跟住咧唔夠咧就喺度印銀紙咁樣，所以搞到咧通貨膨脹咁解啦。咁共和黨就唔想有呢啲咁嘅情況發生，亦都想嗰個國債咧慢慢將佢減低咁樣咯。咁民主黨唔理呢啲嘢㗎，民主黨係因為人哋錢啊嘛，呢啲卑鄙小人啊。咁而家今次咧就無端端咁樣拱上去嗰個補助嗰度要加住，跟住仲要係 permanent， 最大問題係 permanent 即係永久性阿 Trump 當然啦 ，Trump 都過咗好多永久性嘅法案啦。One Big Beautiful Bill，One Big Beautiful Bill 啲法案咧，就係幫我哋美國人嘅民主黨嗰啲嘢，係幫非法移民啊。仲有一樣嘢唔講你唔知就係變性嗰筆錢都撥埋喺嗰度啊嘛。即係一路咧嚟講咧，好多人變性食藥嗰啲好昂貴嘅。 呢個變性呢個行業啊係非常之大嘅行業，因為你一開始搞變性咧，咁之後咧就一世噶啦，因為一世裏邊都要一路去食藥啊，即係好多繼續要做手術啊，好多嘢喺入邊嘅。咁啊呢個一世嘅，我哋以前有一個就係變性嘅，而家已經過咗身啦。咁佢又走咗出嚟講呢個變性之後嗰個問題喺邊啊？即係非常嚴重，佢而家已經唔喺度啦。咁一路會有好多 cancer 啊，佢哋叫做 cancer， 其實我哋即係簡單啲嚟講叫 cancer，即係唔好嘅細胞係不斷咁發生嘅。咁啊屙嘔啊嗰啲咁啊做唔到嘢啊，即係好不堪嘅，個人會變咗真。所以你出去見到有啲真，即係啲假變性嚟嘅，真正變性嗰啲人咧真係好難去日常生活啊，好昂貴啦。咁而家咧因為好昂貴，咁佢有一班人咧就嗰陣時就根據醫療一個免費嘅醫療之後咧就做咗啦，做咗之後而家我哋一級咧佢哋就大劑，所以點解民主黨咁緊張啊？即係唔講你唔知咯，又係。所以嚟睇天下知多啲，咁啊話多啲嘢俾你知咁咯。所以唔單止淨係響嗰個我哋嘅醫療費用俾即係正當人家去運用之外，即係醫療補助啦，呢個 premium 啦嘅補助，不但止淨係要俾埋呢啲變性，俾埋呢個，所以我哋冇可能會贊成噶嘛。佢仲要想搞到係 permanent， 所以我哋就一定要反對。民主黨咧就用好多謊言叫做咩啊？全民健保喎，即係魔鬼在細節嘛。全民健保咧，佢又講到要話民主啲共和黨係壞人嚟嘅，都唔中意，都唔肯幫啲貧窮嘅人，因為你而家唔係幫緊貧窮嘅人嘛，你幫緊人變性啊嘛，你幫緊啲非法移民啊嘛，魔鬼在細節啦。OK， 好多新聞要有一個適當嘅判斷，又民主黨講嘅嘢，尤其是咁而家咧，因為呢個 shutdown 之後咧，就導致咧就好多正常嘅呢啲係正常補貼嚟嘅，大佬，即係仲有啲低收入家庭咧。我哋呢邊咧，即係好多低收入家庭咧，都會經過一個有個 program 叫做婦女嬰兒兒童特別補充營養計劃啦 ，WIC。咁好多家庭咧都可以去嗰度攞奶粉啊，即係奶粉尿片啊嗰啲，俾啲BB 仔啱出世嗰啲咧叫做，即係好大筆錢嘅，其實好大資助嚟嘅，亦都係非常重要我覺得，因為好多低收入家庭咧，你知啊啲百物騰貴啊，大佬啲奶粉啊嗰啲咧。尿片啊嗰啲真係唔平㗎，咁呢個咧就真係可以幫助到低收入家庭。咁而家咧因為呢個民主黨嘅 shutdown 咧，左媒咧就一路話怪係阿 Trump， 都唔關阿 Trump 咩事啫，係嘛？即係仲有咧 food stamp food stamp 有人濫用啦，當然有可能我哋一班冇濫用嗰班人啊嘛，大佬冇濫用嗰班人好需要呢啲㗎嘛。仲有譬如話嗰啲聯邦嗰啲咧又係會停開嘅，因為佢就即係都有筆錢，不過佢唔想。即係就住嚟用㗎啦，即係馬上會咁醫療健保嗰啲咧就仍然會即係 Medicare， 佢哋叫做白卡紅白卡好似叫紅白卡嗰啲咧就會仍然繼續嘅。不過咧樣樣都會 delay 㗎啦，即係延遲㗎啦。延遲其實都唔關嗰個睇醫生嗰陣事㗎，延遲咧就會關醫院幾時收到錢，對醫院遲收錢喎。佢見到咁嘅情況，有可能以前咧會踴躍接待病人，即係好現實嘅醫生。醫院都要開飯㗎嘛，入邊啲人醫生護士都要開飯㗎嘛，入邊由上到下，洗廁所到煮午餐煮晚餐嗰班，全部都要開飯㗎嘛，大佬都會有可能會受到干預㗎啦，所以佢哋亦都會有可能會就住。如果再拖，我講緊，如果譬如話過咗個 weekend 即刻開翻啊，就冇事啊咁樣，所以我哋要喺呢幾日裏邊咧，就一定要去推，一定要去插民主黨嘅卑鄙無恥，即係叫做take people hostage。咁而家好多譬如話經濟數據又準備出啦，咁但係就可能會遲啦，即係都唔知會唔會遲啦，希望唔遲啦。咁好似軍隊嗰啲冇啦，嗰啲焗住開工嘅警察郵政局嗰啲全部焗住開工嘅，但係咧就會第時會補翻薪水俾佢咯。咁我頭先有講啦，好似移民局咁樣嗰啲減人㗎，即係你放住假先啦，遲啲先做咧，有啲嘢佢會咁樣㗎。咁好多人申請緊嗰啲政治庇護嗰班咧，有可能就會又被拖啦咁樣。咁被拖嗰陣時咧，左媒咧就一定會話俾你知係阿 Trump， 因為阿 Trump，OK，錢係最實際嘅，向錢看係最實際嘅。你睇啲人點樣揾，點樣搬啲錢，一班大鱷當冇事咁噶。你話知你咧，保持喺46嗰頭啊。咁我睇 crypto 咯喎，哇又係話自己死嘅啫，嗰班人冇錢，你話冇錢咯喎，冇錢使我套現咧 ，at least 買呢啲虛擬貨幣嗰班，或者買股票嗰班，喂套現要俾 交 credit 卡數啊、交mortgage 呢啲咁嘅嘢都會發生。誒華之嚟啊，照入啊，照升，樣樣照升到 crypto 仲誇張嚇，我都估唔到會過12萬啊！早幾日睇下，俾大家睇下，升咗成萬啊！一估都估唔到啊！呢個世界向錢看絕對實際啦，一班大鱷佢哋啲錢係好緊要噶嘛，因為我哋對抗嗰個係民主黨，邪惡嘅民主黨啊，所以呢個唔可以太過樂觀，睇過呢個市咧好似升緊咁啊，太樂觀咧就哇入市啊咁，我都覺得應該要睇定啲，唔好入市住嘅。咁我自己係冇炒嘅啊，我有個長線投資嘅方法嘅，你喺 description 嗰度咧就有條 link 撳入去，你 sign up 咗 Coinbase，跟住你仲要存20美金入去。跟住咧 ，Coinbase 又會俾你30蚊，又會俾我30蚊嘅啦。個30蚊就佢第一時間咧就會放喺 Bitcoin 入邊嘅。你攞到你自己有20蚊，跟住加埋Coinbase 俾你個30蚊，你就轉去你所中意你嘅虛擬貨幣都得嘅。咁你5萬蚊，譬如話你有好多錢，咁你有好多錢嘅話咧，你放喺穩定幣嗰度咧，又有4% 利息嘅，何樂而不為咧？佢嗰4% 係當年咧年利息啦，呢啲梗係緊。萬一你突然之間要用錢嗰時，你喐佢又得。頭先我同大家講呢個。50啦，50提案啦，佢寫得好衰格㗎，所以呢個 redistrict 咧就千祈一定要投反對票。咁而家咧，阿諾舒尼加咧就聽下佢講乜。
What's your view in terms of what should happen nationwide when it comes to redistricting?
Well, first of all, in California, it's a big mistake to go and to dismantle and to basically kind of get rid of the independent redistricting commission under the auspices of we got to have more power than the Republicans. And we got to fight Trump. Because, yes, they are fixing the elections in Texas. But that does not mean that California should fix the elections because of that. Two wrongs don't make a right. It's that simple. And whenever the politicians say that we're only doing this temporarily, with the redistricting commission, with the independent one. There's no such thing with politicians and temporarily. Have you ever seen a tax that stopped? When they say this is just temporary, it is permanent. I'm for the power of the people, not the parties, and therefore I say vote no on Proposition 50.
Because when I talked to Governor Newsom about this and about your conversation with him about this, he told me that he said to you, if we are not successful that there will be no more independent redistricting, the whole thing's over. He has no faith in President Trump in order to do fair elections if Republicans have all control, and he says that it is temporary. You don't buy what Governor Newsom's saying?
Of course not. Look, I've sat there in Sacramento. I've listened to the politicians for 7 years. They are not interested in giving any power to the people. The only interest that they have is to take power away from the people and grab it themselves. So this gives them a great opportunity by saying, oh, we have to fight Trump. Let's go and get rid of our democratic principles. Imagine to fight for democracy and to get rid of your democratic principles. It doesn't make any sense. And plus, we have so many homeless people in California. And there they cannot do anything about it. But they're spending $200 million on a special election. I would rather give this money to the homeless people that really need it rather than to the politicians. Let's give the money to the people rather than the politicians. This is what this is all about. That's why I'm against Proposition 50. That's why I always will say nothing against Newsom. We don't have a fight over this at all.
Yeah, because you guys met. What was that like? When you
it was a
met
wonderful
together?
meeting. He told me what he felt. I told him, I said, I totally get it. Because this is what you need to do to be the leader of the party. I totally get it, but I'm not a party person, I said. I'm a people's person.
Are you going to be campaigning anymore? What's your role? Are you going to be doing interviews, going around the state, doing rallies? What's your role in this campaign?
I have no plan. All I wanted to do really is to come out and to say to the people, hold it. Before you go and vote, you should know this is a scam. And vote no on Proposition 50.
So potentially hundreds of millions of dollars could be spent on this fight over Prop 50, with right now Governor Newsom largely being the face of yes in ads, and former Governor Schwarzenegger largely being the face of no.
好清楚講晒啦，係嘛？第一咧就係佢所謂嘅 temporary， 暫時肯定就唔會暫時。佢即係民主黨就話佢哋自己為咗民主，但係用一個唔不民主嘅手法去爭取呢個民主，根本第一就係已經係不民主㗎啦。即係佢根本阿諾舒華就覺得你呢個手法係已經係不民主啊嘛。點解用個不民主嘅手法走去爭取民主？呢個好唔 make sense 嘅。阿諾舒華亦都有講㗎，咁即係佢絕對堅持咧反對呢樣嘢。咁啊過去佢以前做過州長，你亦都有呢個經驗啦，知道呢樣嘢將來嘅後果不堪。咁其實每10年一次咧，就我哋有一個叫做 commission，redistrict commission 嘅，咁係民選嘅嗰班，佢哋呢就10年一次，佢哋就會去再劃選區，就根據人口而定。咁啊呢個即係唔民主咯。所以咧，我哋就希望大家極力支持、極力去反對，記得去投票，同埋要話俾人知呢個法案啊。咁多謝大家收睇，記得訂閱、留言、點讚、分享，天下知多啲。下次再見，拜拜。